That's right, I'm back. It's Josh with DepriveD Productions with a 7th blueprinting tutorial with the Unreal Engine 4. Boom, boom, boom and stuff. I know I've been gone for a few days or a week or so, but I had to get some stuff out. A little bit of music here and there, a little bit of something else. Can't remember what it was. But I'll tell you what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about slow-mo, a little slow motion action. Show you guys how easy it is. Just a couple tricks, short tutorial. Check it. Now, the thing is, I'm going to escape. I got my DP folder, but it's empty, and it's going to stay that way. You know why? Because we're actually going to do the work inside of the character blueprint. So if you go to the content, and again, you need to have the starter content on in your project to do this. Go to the first-person BP there, go to Blueprints, and then boom, we'll open up the first-person character blueprint, which is the character blueprint. I'm going to move it over here because you know how we do. This is the blueprint that we are when we're actually playing the game. If I press F11 and Alt-P, I'm in here shooting my gun. That's me. This is me. Now, all this is, and I know we haven't covered any of this, this is just the movement. You know what I'm saying? Like the jump, you can see them all commenting everything off here real nice and pretty. They're real nice to us. You got, for like VR, the Vive and the Oculus Rift and all that cool stuff and position and stuff. We don't have to worry about any of that. But yeah, the movement, the jumping, even the spawning, the projectile walks you through that. We'll talk about this soon. But the point is, everything works fine. Okay, I can jump in here and play the game. But what if I want stuff to go slow? What if I want stuff to go slow because I press a button? Right click, press F_key. And we're going to look for the F key. And I think it's up here at the top. Yeah. So if F is pressed, I want to change the time. Let's just right click right here and type in set global time dilation. You see what I'm talking about right there? Huh? See what's going on? See what's going on right? So if F is pressed, now check it out. Time dilation is typically set to 1, right? That's normal time. Here we go. Let's take it down to about 20%. 20% of 1 would be what? 0.2. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So now if I press it, it'll change everything into that speed of gaming. But let's copy and paste that bad baby and make another one so we have another button that'll switch it back to 1. So we'll right click and right under the F key on the keyboard is the V key. So I'm gonna type in V key. You know what I'm talking about? Just plug it in that bad baby right there and be done with it. You know what I'm talking about? Compile. This is all done inside the character blueprint. So we got a little thing there. We could comment it off or whatnot, but I don't care. F11, Alt P. All right. Let's start shooting some balls. You know what I'm talking about? I press the F key. Oh, look at all them balls. What I'm talking about. I press V and start flying out of there and talking about. So I can change the speed with just a button and then back. Now, yeah. Yes. Love that. Pretty sweet, right? Super simple. Escape F11, but check it out. It get a little more complicated, right? You're like, that was easy. I mean, dude, that was really easy. Just letting y'all know. Just need to do something like that. Stupid simple. Stupid. But let's say we wanted everything else to be slow. I'm going to change it even lower, 0.1. But I want the character to still move at full speed. Okay, it's not that hard. So check it right. Right-click, get player character. You know what I'm talking about. Let's find that bad baby. There it is. Now, the thing is, we want to change its dilation. Pretty simple. Think about it. Set custom time dilation. You had to drag it from the blue wire of the get player controller. So check it out. We're going to plug one in right here. Yeah, I'm talking about. Copy and paste. Control-C, Control-V to that bad baby. And we'll plug these bad execution wires all day. Now we got to do a little math. You know what I'm saying? So when the global time dilation is 1, we also want to be 1. That's fair. You know what I'm saying? But when this is 0.1, what do we want to be? Well, if we're 1, we're not really 1 anymore because the global thing is still setting everyone to whatever that is. So we need to do a little math. 1 times 1 equals 1. 0.1 times what equals 1? I'll tell you right now, it's the number 10, son. So if I set that to 10, that means we're going to stay the same. When we press the F key to change everything to 0.1, we'll multiply ourselves by 10. And now when I jump in here and play F11 Alt P, I'm walking around with this gun, shooting all kind of balls. Now I'm going to shoot him, I'm going to chase him. So shoot a bunch, press F. Oh, I'm going to come get you, balls. I'm talking about all kind of balls. I can press V. Boom, they're gone. And shooting everywhere. Oh, stop them. You know what I'm talking about? All kind of balls everywhere. Just shooting all kind of balls. A big old line of them. You know what I'm saying? Then boom, son. I can just stop them again. But see, as you can tell, I have full speed. You know what I'm talking about, huh? You just keep changing it back and forth, and you didn't get affected. I mean, you got affected a little bit. Dude, that's all it takes. I mean, and one cool thing I guess you could do besides that is, let's say we just go right here. Let's unplug this bad baby and drag him over here. Drag him right here and right-click and type in timeline. Okay. So what we could do and name it slow-mo. Name it. Is that not it? Slow-mo. Is there a W on the end of mo? Not today. Play from start. You know what I'm saying? And we'll jump right in here and just 1 second. Just a 1 second float that we'll name slow-mo. Slow with an M and a W maybe on the end. We'll set 2 tracks by shift-click. Set the time to 0 because it's at the beginning, and set it to 1 because that's normal speed. And then at the end of it, shift-click again. We'll set the time to 1 because it's at the end. And we'll set it to point 1. We'll just set it to 0.1. You know what I'm talking about? Just, there we go. So we got a little thing here. We can click these little arrows and it'll boom, set it up real nice for us, compile, get it out of here. So now we got this bad baby, right? Well, now I could take this, Control-C, Control-V, bring it down here, plug update into here, and then the float into the float. And then boom. Now, I don't have it going backwards, so, but the point is now, if I press it, you'll kind of slowly see it happen, right? Just we're taking the custom time dilation, the speed of the game, and slowing it down over 1 second. So I'm slowing down these, shooting these balls everywhere, and you'll watch it slowly slow down when I press the F button. Here we go. Oh. And back over, watch it, check it out. Oh, it's slowing down, son. And it's all the way down here. But I slowed us down too because I didn't set the custom time dilation. But the point is it real slow like. And then I do it again with the F. Oh, they're slowing down, son. So over time. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I just used the timeline there to take the float and actually make it happen over a second's time from 1 being normal to 0.1, which is really freaking slow. Guys, thanks for watching. Nothing major, just got this little area here with the something else up top. But yeah, man, little slow-mo action, man. Check it out, use it. It's real simple. Real simple. If you're trying to do something cool like that with a button or with an event, you see how simple it really is. I mean, just knock it out, man. Go do cool stuff with it. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate y'all. Love you. Go hit that DepriveD Productions channel, the YouTube. Subscribe to that. Hit it one time. Facebook, DepriveD Productions. Like that page, too, if you're at it. Glad to be at it, guys. Took about a week and a half there to get a few things out. A couple things we worked on. A little Sekiro, a little music, and a lot more stuff coming. No lie, but all kind of tutorial time. You know what I'm talking about? It's tutorial time. So let's pump them out. You know what I'm talking about? See you in a couple days with another one, and then another one, and then another one. You guys need to hit that channel. Tell your friends. Get everybody involved, and I'll see you then. Peace.